Welcome to Bharat Spare.
In this video, we will walk you through the wire connections of a PMSM motor. A PMSM, Permanent Magnet Synchronous Motor, is an efficient motor that uses permanent magnets for high torque and smooth synchronous operation. It's commonly used in EVs and automation due to its reliability and energy efficiency. The PMSM motor features 6 color-coded wires for its phase terminals, allowing for easy and accurate connections to the controller. This color coding simplifies installation and ensures proper synchronization during operation, with colors including yellow, green, blue, white, gray, and brown. These 5 wires connect the motor's Hall sensor to the controller, with each wire color matching perfectly. That's it for the PMSM motor connections. Hope this simple guide was helpful. Thanks for watching.